Question number 5. How do I avoid paying high taxes by using our investment properties? So if you watched any of my previous episodes, I may have addressed this question, but this may be the first time that you're seeing me or hearing one of these questions or watching one of these episodes. So I am going to do my best to answer this question as thoroughly as possible. Number 1, the only way an investment property can help you save money on taxes is through 1 or 2 ways. Maybe three ways. The first way is you have some passive income coming from somewhere. And when I say passive income, I mean it is true passive income. True passive income, meaning not passive because you deem it passive, but passive because the IRS says it's passive. So there's a difference with passive in knowing what type of passive income you have and how does it apply to your taxable liability. And if you don't know if your passive income streams are passive in the eyes of the IRS, then you need to figure that out. And maybe we should have a separate training on that one day. But you got to have passive income. If you have passive income, that passive income can offset passive losses that we can create on your tax return to help reduce your taxable liability. Real estate is always passive unless you can make it active. Always. If you cannot make it active, that is a passive investment. It's going to create either passive income or passive losses. If it creates passive losses and you do not have any other way to offset those losses on your tax return, those losses are going to carry forward on your tax return until you are able to claim them. There are many people who purchase rental properties. They're purchasing 1 a year or 2 a year because they're just trying to build their portfolio of properties. And they are not receiving the tax advantages of doing so because it is still passive to them. They have not found a way to make those rental properties active losses to offset other income. They just haven't. So I have one client who has $287,000 in passive losses rolling forward on her tax return because she's unable to claim them.